Have you ever felt like the things you do in private just vanish into thin air? That over time our actions, our struggles, and our fleeting moments are just washed away by history? For thousands of years, the Torah has told us otherwise. In Pirkei Avot, the sages gave us a famous and chilling warning. Know what is above you, an eye that sees, and ears that hears, and all your deeds are written in a book. In another Mishnah, Rabbi Akiva adds, the ledger is open and the hand writes. For a long time, we treated these ideas of a heavenly ledger or divine providence purely as moral metaphors meant to keep us on the straight and narrow. But what if they aren't just metaphors? What if the sages were actually describing the literal physical architecture of the universe? Welcome to this video series, where we're going to explore a mind-blowing reality. Modern quantum physics is just now discovering exactly what our mystical traditions have been saying all along. We're going to dive into one of the greatest mysteries in modern science, the black hole information paradox, and show how the way theoretical physicists understand the boundaries of black holes, the event horizon, perfectly matches the Book of Remembrance described by our sages. We'll discover that the fundamental rule of quantum mechanics is that no information in the universe is ever truly lost or erased. Drawing on deep wellsprings of Jewish thought, from the Zohar Kodesh and Lurian in Kabbalah to the Baal Shem Tov and the Maharal of Prague, we will see that human accountability is built right into the fabric of reality. We will explore how the Kabbalistic concept of Rishimu acts like a cosmic hard drive, ensuring every deed is recorded. And finally, we will see how the eternal nature of the soul and even the ultimate miracle of the resurrection of the dead can actually be understood as the ultimate process of information recovery. Whether you are here to deepen your Torah learning or you are simply a seeker looking for the profound truths of how our universe works, stick around, because science is finally proving that what you do matters forever.